Whoa! Oh, hey, what's up with that?
What did Eric do?
Bad Eric.
What did Eric do?
Bad Eric.
He's fucking Eric.
Okay, listen up.
Why are you gonna yell at Eric like that?
I'll get mine.
Before I give you back your brochure,
Curry game.
Curry game.
okay.
Curry game.
Okay, if you choose not to listen, don't ask me for any. Okay, right now, listen up, because the people that are talking are probably the ones that have the F's at this point.
I got 10 out of 10.
Is there a reason that you're at that door?
Yeah, let's get my papers.
Now, please listen up. You should have received 3 items back.
Yes, I saw it.
The current event, I do have a lot of zeros. This is a no name. If you did one and you didn't put your name on it, I can't help you. You will come up after.
Use on the computer.
Now, Becker, listen up.
I'll get back at those.
If
Everyone's
you were
Eric.
absent-
Eric.
What'd you do?
Listen up. Eric, again, can you stop?
Eric, do it, Eric.
If you were absent, you have 1 class day to get your work in. So Becker, you need to go
You look really weird.
Yo, mine is too loud. Mine is way too loud.
It's in my pile.
For the love, Marwan.
Okay, the only one, listen up. The only one that some of you did not get back, please listen, because I'm not going through this anymore. Is this one that you're giving? Okay, do you want me to call home today?
For what?
No.
This is serious.
Notifying authorities, not threatening to write
Okay, stop. Now, I'm moving on to the brochures. Now, please listen up. And your parents already know this. If you're out and you're excused, you have 1 class day to get on Blackboard to go in. We are on week 13 this week.
Where's my black friend?
Okay?
Where's my black friend?
Now,
Miss Martin, where's my black friend?
okay. Please listen up. Now I'm going to get back to the brochure project. And if you want to look at A, can you stop?
What? 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 What?
There were only 3 A's. If you want to see what an A looks like, these are the people.
Oh, what an A looks like.
Okay, Quincy, come up here. Where's Quincy? Right here. Can you stop and go out in the hall? What grade are you in?
Stop touching her, Tom.
Okay, this one.